Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this lock, window lock, and inspect it. So you're going to need a number 1 Robinson head, and you're going to take it and you're going to unscrew just like that. And when it's loose enough, you can loosen it by hand. Then you flip the switch the other way, grab your screwdriver, and unscrew it some more. Once it's loose enough, you can untighten it. And then we're going to do this part very soon. So you can just pull this off. And now if you want to, you can do this part. If you want to. But now we're just going to inspect this. This is how it works. So let me just get the other side off so I can show you what it does, how it works. There's some weird paint on it. Now you can unscrew it all the way. Then you get the second screw off. And once it's loose enough, you can untighten it by hand. It's a little tricky, but you can always just use a screwdriver. Pull it out. Pull this out. Place it next to your lock. So how this works is, say this is looking this way on your window. So when you lock your window, this goes around this latch and locks into place, so your window can't open. And that's how it works. Reinstalling video coming soon.